Hello everyone, my name is Shraddhan Siraj and I am currently doing an internship under Lexis and Company. Today we'll be discussing the difference between charge and charge sheet. The term charge is defined in the section 2 subsection B of the CRPC. The charge should always be clear and specific. It must refer to the section of the Indian Penal Code under which the offence charged is punishable. It should also specify distinctly the portion of the section which is applicable to the case. A charge sheet is a final report prepared by the investigation or law enforcement agencies for proving the accusation of a crime in a criminal court or law. The report is basically submitted by the police officer in order to prove that the accused is connected with any offense or has committed any offense punishable under the penal statute having effect in India. The report entails and embodies all the stringent records right from the commencement of investigation procedure of lodging an FIR to the completion of the investigation and preparation of a final report. This information is the FIR or the first information report after which the police starts the investigation. Upon the investigation, the police identifies the different offences committed by the accused as per the definitions of the offences given in the Indian Penal Code and some other legislations. At this stage, the police identifies the person who is to be charged with the offence. The police then formulates the charge sheet and submits it to the court. The charge sheet is called the final report under section 173 of the Criminal Procedure Code. It is prepared by the police after investigation and submitted to the court having jurisdiction. It can be altered by the court before framing the court charge. The court can add any person as accused under section 319 of the Criminal Procedure Code. The charge sheet names the person against which the charge is submitted. This may include additional persons that were charged in FIR or there may be some less. The case starts after charge sheet filing as the court issues summons to appear to accused after charge sheet is filed. The charge sheet lists down the charges of the offences for which the accused will be tried in the court. The court examines the charge sheet and the information collected by the accused. If the court is satisfied that the material is enough to start the trial, it will frame the charge and issue summons orders to the accused. By framing the charge, the court formally recognizes the offense for which the accused will be charged. Framing the charge is the simple recognition of the offenses for which the accused will be tried in the court. The content of the charge is given under section 211 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. By framing the charge in detail as required under section 211, the accused is informed about the offences for which he will be charged, which helps him to prepare to defend himself. Both charge and charge sheet list down the offences for which the accused will be tried. A charge sheet is prepared by the police and submitted to the court. The court, based on the charge sheet, frames the charge against the accused based on which the trial is conducted. The charge sheet is employed to frame the charge, but the judge is not bound by the charge sheet and can frame the charge and identify the accused based on the decision and perception of the facts. Thank you.